In this video, part of a series on how rice farmers have transitioned to organic farming in the BRIN Regency of Lampung, Indonesia, we take a closer look at the different roles of men and women farmers in this community. In BRIN, researchers from the National Research and Innovation Agency, BRIN, in Indonesia have been studying the different roles of men and women farmers in organic versus conventional rice production.
We currently study understanding women's roles in organic versus non-organic rice farming system in Lampung Province in Indonesia. This study is a part of ASEAN Gender Integrated Pest Management Climate Change, supported by ASEAN FAO Secretariat. In Indonesia, rice farming is crucial for food security and rural livelihoods. Men's and women's have a different role in rice farming. However, inequality hinders women's roles. This research aims to identify and compare the specific daily tasks and responsibility of women. Understanding men's and women's roles and decision-making process is essential for addressing gender disparity, enhancing agricultural productivity, and sustainable development.
The study was conducted in BRIN Regency, Lampung Province, Indonesia, which is known for the rice farming producers. In the same location, there are two groups. The first group is characterized by organic rice farming practices, and the second group is the conventional or non-organic rice farming. The study was used a mixed method approach, combining qualitative interviews and quantitative surveys. And we also conducted a focus group discussion or FGD with 5 men and 5 women. The data analysis was conducted using descriptive analysis, qualitative and quantitative methods.
The survey shows that there is not much differences in terms of farmers and household characteristics such as age, education, farming experience, access to resources, and cultural backgrounds, indicating that the community quite homogeneous. We use the abbreviated Women Empowerment in Agricultural Index, a tool to measure women empowerment in 5 domains: production, resources, time allocation, and then leadership and control over income, and adapted to the local context in Lampung Province in Indonesia. The results show that in overall, empowerment index is still very low both in organic and unorganic farming household, particularly women compared to men. Even when applying the lower disempowerment threshold, the Women Empowerment Index still below 0.5, which is lower the expectation. Key factors potentially contributing to the lower empowerment included limited contribution to the decision-making and control over income, particularly in agricultural aspect, and lack of involvement in the community organizations such as farmers groups and cooperative. Many women believe that farming is men's responsibility and women responsible for domestic roles. So this result point to a need policy intervention that can empower women in agriculture. First, increasing access to information and training is crucial. We encourage men to bring their wives to the training session and providing tailored for women training. Second, fostering women participation in farmers group and cooperative to help build a network and access to resources. And third, creating awareness that shared household decision-making will ensure that men and women benefit equally. Ultimately, empowering women not only improves their well-being but also strengthens the entire household and community.
As organic rice farming continues to grow and evolve, the roles of women and men in farming are also changing. By promoting inclusive approaches and greater collaboration, we can nurture not only crops, but also our communities.